if you're having issues sending videos inside of WhatsApp, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out in order to solve this issue. Now, the first and the immediate solution is, of course, try to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If it is not stable, you can try switching between networks such as your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Also, the second thing that you need to ensure is that the WhatsApp is up to date. So open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. And if you do see new updates available on WhatsApp, make sure you tap on the update button. Now, apart from this, what you can also try out is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. So just tap on the airplane mode option, toggle it on and then toggle it off. Sometimes by doing these simple steps, these sort of issues will also be fixed. Now, if it is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon and then head over to storage. Tap on the clear cache option and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, what you'll also need to ensure is that the permissions of the photos and videos inside of WhatsApp is allowed. So inside of this setting, make sure that it is set to allow. Now, lastly, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your device and then again reinstall it. By doing these few steps, it ensures that the issue of videos not sending will be now fixed. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.